Hello everyone, and I hope you all are doing well. Today I'm gonna do the EURUSD chart analysis for today's trade. So let's get started. First of all, we are having bank holidays today, so most likely the market won't be having quite a big range accordingly. So I'm not anticipating the price to be taking one-sided movement. Apart from that, we are having a high impact news at 6 p.m. and 10:31 p.m. So be cautious around these both timings since it could be high volatile and high spread areas as usual. So now let's move to the charts. So this is the monthly chart of Euro USD. And first of all, I want to thank you all for uh, being a part of this channel because since the start we have been doing such a good analysis, and even yesterday's analysis was so much according to our own plans, and the market ran really well. I hope you had made money. So yeah, the price was having equal lows. The price swept these equal lows and broke this high. This gave us a strong low. The price reacted from this strong low, but couldn't break this high. Rather, it broke below it. This gave us a bearish bias into the monthly time frame since the strong low was broken. So now, after breaking the strong low, the price moved into the upward direction and reached to this level over here where the candle had taken the high of the previous monthly candle, making this a strong zone of reaction. The price reacted from this strong zone and moved into the downward direction, but couldn't break below all these equal lows, rather, it swept it. This sweeping of the equal lows gave the market a bullish push. So, currently, we are not having anything much clear here, so let's move to the weeklies. Now, this is the weekly chart, and what do we have here is that the price is following an order flow, and we are also having this unmitigated wick which had taken the liquidity of the previous candle. So most likely we are going to get into this zone, we are going to see a reaction. So for the current bias, we are having this particular zone where the candle had taken the low of this candle and moved into the upside direction. So most likely the last point of reaction would be this area. But let's see into the smaller time frames if it is supported by it. So we are moving into the dailies now. We can see that we are having a strong high into the dailies, but this whole area is vacant. That is, we are having FVG here, and we are currently trading within this candle's range. So nothing is much clear even into the dailies. So now let's move to the 4 hours. Now this is the 4-hour chart, and what we can see is that the price is making FVGs over here. It has respected this FVG, and if we are going to break below this candle with a closure, that is, I'll be expecting the price to move below this candle, giving a candle close within below it. This will be a signal for me that the price is going to go into the downward direction and going to mitigate this candle, which was responsible for this bullish move into the market. So we are also having just equal lows just above this unmitigated candle. So let's move to the 1 hours for a detailed picture. Now when we move into the 1 hours, the contradictory thing which happens here is we are having equal highs, which is not into the confluence of the 4 hours. So this makes the situation a little skeptical since we are not having a clear bias, we are having equal lows right below it, and the price doesn't seem to be reacting from the either side because it's contracting within a closed zone following an order flow over here. So I'll be expecting the market to at least give a close below it, or we are going to move with strong lows into the upside direction to take this high. So the bias is still not clear, so let's move to the 30 minutes. So now that we are into the 30 minutes, we can clearly see that this is equal highs, and the price is also making equal lows right below it. So if we are going to break the Asia low and most likely going to close below this structure, we are going to continue the journey towards the downward direction till this level. Else, if we are going to continue to break this high, or you can say that we can break this high too. So if we are going to break this high, most likely we are going to continue our journey towards these equal highs. So this is the bias for today, that I'm not much dependent on Asia high or Asia low, but rather I'll be anticipating the price to give a close above this structure or below this structure for the bias to be defined. So now let's move to the next segment, that is the questions round. And what do we have in our question today is, in trading, what does the term bull market refer to? The first option is a market with high trading volume. The second one is a market trend characterized by declining prices. And the third one is a market trend characterized by increasing prices. So write your answer into the comments, and I'll give the heart and like the comment so that the people will be able to understand that which is the right answer of it. So do consider liking and subscribing this channel, and I can see that only 50% of the people are following this channel. So do consider subscribing to this channel, and I'm targeting 20 likes on this video. Thank you for watching.